Class, let us discuss question number 7 of exercise 9.1. Question number 7 onwards, all the questions are very important for 4 marks. Well, now from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Read the language again. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower. So it means the one object is transmission tower, and where it is fixed at the top of 20-meter high building. Class, you are given a building PB of 20 meter, right? And on this building a tower is fixed. Well, what you are given a building, and on this building a tower is fixed. So the AP is nothing but tower and PB is nothing but your building. Now you are watching from the ground. Ground means BC. From C point you are watching. क्या देख रहे हैं आप? Top of the tower. टावर के टॉप को देख रहे हैं. और क्या देख रहे हैं? बॉटम ऑफ द टावर. टावर के बॉटम को देख रहे हैं. And one angle, bottom angle, it is 45 degree, whereas angle of the top it is 60 degree. So listen and see the figure once again. Building PB of height 20 meter is given. इस बिल्डिंग के ऊपर एक टावर लगाया गया है. A tower is fixed at the टॉप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग. टावर को आप अलग से ग्राउंड पे नहीं बनाएंगे. कहाँ बनाएंगे? बिल्डिंग के ऊपर. सो ऑन अ बिल्डिंग whose height is 20 meter, a tower is fixed. Now from the ground, आप ग्राउंड से देख रहे हैं. क्या देख रहे हैं? टॉप ऑफ द टावर एंड बॉटम ऑफ द टावर. टॉप ऑफ द टावर angle is 60 degree, whereas bottom of the tower it is 45 degree. Fine. Now in such questions always we'll be getting two right angle triangles. Well, the one right angle triangle is PBC and other right angle triangle is ABC. Class, do not take triangle APC. Why? It is not a right angle triangle. आपको हमेशा right angle triangle लेना है क्योंकि उसी में हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्री यूज़ कर पाएंगे. So if you consider PBC and if you take the base as x, so this PB is perpendicular and BC base, and we know that perpendicular upon base, that is nothing but tan 30. So can I write 20 upon x is equal to tan 45 degree? Are you clear for this line or not? Class, we are considering triangle PBC. ठीक है. अब एक साइड PB है, एक BC है और एक BC है. PB की हाइट हमको दी हुई है 20, दैट मीन्स परपेंडिकुलर इज गिवन. BC को हमने x माना है. वेल, अब BC x है और ये परपेंडिकुलर है, एंड वी नो परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस इज नथिंग बट tan थीटा. सो कैन आई राइट 20 upon x is equal to tan 45 degree, and the value of tan 45 degree is 1. This you have to learn it. So x will be equal to 20, that means base is 20. Now consider the second triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, AB means perpendicular, BC means base. So again perpendicular upon base is nothing but tan theta. Here x is your base, right? So perpendicular upon base is tan theta. So I can write AB upon BC is tan 60 degree. Now what is AB? adding AP and PB, that is h plus 20. So h plus 20 upon x is equal to tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree value, it is root 3. Now in place of x, well, I can write 20. So I'll be writing h plus 20 upon 20 is equal to root 3. From where? From equation number 1. Now cross multiply it. H plus 20 is equal to 20 root 3. Take 20 on this side, becomes minus sign. Take common 20, root 3 minus of 1. And the value of root 3, you have to learn it. It is 1.732. Substituting the value of root 3 and after solving it, you get height as 14.64 meter. Are you clear for the question? Exactly. The question number 8, the figure is same. What the question number 8 states, a statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. So you are getting a word pedestal. Class, pedestal means जिसके ऊपर स्टैचू फिक्स की गई है. आपने रोड पे देखा होगा, कभी भी कोई स्टैचू डायरेक्ट रोड पे नहीं रखी जाती है. पहले उसका एक बेस होता है और उसके ऊपर स्टैचू होती है. सो दिस बेस PB, इट इज़ कॉल्ड पेडेस्टल. एंड ऑन दिस पेडेस्टल अ स्टैचू ऑफ द हाइट 1.6 मीटर इज फिक्स्ड. एंड it is given that from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. If this is the statue, this is the top of the statue and this is the bottom of the statue. And if this is the pedestal, this is the top of the pedestal and this is the bottom of the pedestal. आप क्या देख रहे हैं? टॉप ऑफ द स्टैचू देख रहे हैं. कहाँ से देख रहे हैं? सी पॉइंट से देख रहे हैं. So top of the pedestal, top of the statue is given as angle 60 degree, and top of the pedestal, that means point P, angle is given as 45 degree. Your aim is to find what is the height of pedestal. Are you clear for the figure? Class, for figure, correct figure, you will get 1 mark in board exam. So your figure should be very correct. Now class, if you see triangle ABC, this is H and let us suppose this is X. What is this? Perpendicular. What is this? Base. So again, relation between perpendicular and base is nothing but tan theta. It means which trigonometric ratio we are going to use? Tan theta. So h upon x will be equal to tan 45 डिग्री. हम 60 नहीं लेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा ट्रायंगल ही PBC है. तो PBC में हमारा एंगल BCP कितना है? 45 डिग्री. 60 बाहर हो गया, दूसरा ट्रायंगल का एंगल हो गया, तो हम लेंगे tan 45. Tan 45 is 1, that means h is equal to x. Now consider the triangle ABC, and in triangle ABC, AB upon BC, it is equal to tan 60 degree. Well, AB is what? It is perpendicular. BC is what? It is base. और अब हमें अच्छे से समझ में आ गया है कि परपेंडिकुलर और बेस अगर है तो हमें क्या लगाना है? tan थीटा लगाना है. So AB upon BC is tan 60 degree. Now the length of AB, it means AP plus PB. AP कितना है? 1.6. PB कितना है? h. So 1.6 plus h upon x is equal to root 3. Already we got h is equal to x. h और x दोनों इक्वल है. So 1.6 plus h upon h, x की जगह हमने क्या लिख दिया? h is equal to root 3. Now cross multiply, you will be getting 1.6 plus h is equal to root 3h. 1.6 is equal to root 3h minus h. Take common h, you will be getting root 3 minus 1. h में से जब h common लेते हैं तो 1 बचता है. Now important point here, please do not keep the value of root 3 here. रूट 3 की वैल्यू आप यहाँ नहीं रखेंगे. उसको पहले डिनोमिनेटर में ले जा कर के रैशनलाइज करेंगे, उसके बाद ही वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. सो इफ़ यू टेक इन द डिनोमिनेटर, इट विल बी 1.6 अपॉन रूट 3 minus 1. एंड फॉर रैशनलाइजेशन, एज यू नो इन द क्लास 9, इफ़ इट इज़ माइनस साइन यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विद द प्लस साइन. किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा? √3 + 1 √3 + 1. Now √3 - 1 into √3 + 1 is nothing but 3 - 1, that is 2. And if you cancel 1.6 by 2 you will be getting 0.8. √3 की वैल्यू रख दीजिएगा 1.732 plus 1, that means 2.732, and if you multiply by 0.8 after solving it you get it as 2.1856. Class, if the value of √3 it is not given in the question paper, you can use only 1.73. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है कि 1.732 यूज़ करें, आप केवल 1.73 भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. It is always better to give answer in decimal for board exam. Though in NCERT the answers are given up to this step only, that 1.6 upon √3 - 1, so 1.6 into √3 + 1. They have only rationalized it, they have not solved the value for root value. Okay, but in board exam it is better to use value as 1.73 and find the answer in decimal. Hope you are clear for these two questions which are very important for exam.